welcome to my channel. I'm Mrs. Vera D. So I haven't done an organization video in a very long time, and I've been meaning to organize my fridge since spring has come, and now it's June, so it's been a while. So finally it was like a cloudy day and I decided I need to organize my fridge. So this is how the fridge looks before.
My fridge is tiny. This is literally how my fridge looks today. It's quite messy. Like, that's disgusting. Yeah, I need to organize this fridge.
First, what you need to do is you need to empty the fridge, and then I washed everything, every part of the fridge, cleaned it up. What I like to use is I make a spray with vinegar and water, and that's one of the things I like to wash everything with. Everything that I use in the fridge is all from the Dollar Tree or Dollarama. I love these placemats I got. They're from the Dollar Tree and they're so cute. It's really hard to find cute placemats, so when I saw these, I grabbed them right away, and I'm pretty sure I bought them like just in the beginning of spring. So I had them laying around for a while, and I finally used them. So I put those placemats on the fridge shelves, and it's really easy to wash these placemats, and it keeps the fridge clean from any spills or dirt. And I got this rack from the Dollarama store, and I kind of like it because it makes a shelving. This is super cute. I got from the dollar store, and you can put your garlic in it, and it has a lid. And it's so cute. I think it's really cute. So I'm gonna put my garlic in there. So yeah, I'm just so happy with the final product. It looks so nice and neat. So this is how the fridge looks before. And this is how the after looks. So I have a basket from the Dollar Tree, and I just put pita wraps in here. All my deli stuff is here, and cheese. Here's a Lazy Susan from the dollar store, and I just have like salsa and pickles and olives in here. In this basket, I'm gonna have my yogurts. I need to go grocery shopping, so it's empty. Here I'm gonna put berries. Over here I have my margins, and then this basket is all like salad stuff, like tomatoes and cucumbers. I can put lettuce in here. Here I like to put my juice, and there's my coffee, and there's my milk and juice, my fruits and veggies. So everything I put liners on to keep them nice and clean. So yeah, that's the final product, and I'm pretty happy with it. If you guys liked the video, click thumbs up so I know that you liked it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more organization videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it inspired you to clean and organize your fridge. Bye! Say bye, everybody. Say bye. No? So, I got 5 hacks that will help